Hello and welcome to part 9 of creating a vertical bat shooter in Unity. In this video, we'll create the lose condition, we'll create the win condition, and we'll wrap up our game. Let's get started. Alright, now that you've set up your level to the right, you might want to adjust the speed of some of these. Actually, I found out that the skellies were moving a little too fast. So I'm going to go to my prefabs folder, and in my fast skelly, his speed is 8, and that is lightning fast. So I'm gonna change that to 5. Medium skelly, his speed is 5, so I'm gonna change this to 3. And then just normal skelly, his speed is 3. I'm gonna change it to 1. That should do it. It looks like my spawn point got knocked out of place somehow. Just gonna move that back here. Save and then test it out again. There we go. Okay. Big skeleton. Actually, I want to be the very end. And his speed will be 2. Faster than the slow ones, but not quite as fast as medium. And I'm gonna bump his health up to 12. And the next thing I want to happen is the castle's destroyed. I want to lose. Just gonna right click, go to UI, then go to panel. And then with the panel selected right here, I'm gonna hit F. It's gonna zoom into where the panel's at. Then I'm gonna right click on the panel, go to UI, go to Legacy, and hit Text. This little, if you don't have this box, click this right here so I can get the Rect Transform box. I'm gonna scale that box up. I wanna keep these crosshairs in the center. Then I'm gonna say Castle Destroyed. I'm gonna scale the font size up and make it like this, make it bold, and then I want to select this panel. I want to change the background. I already have this fireball, so I'm just gonna change the background to the fireball and make it like a red. Bring my Castle Destroyed down. And change the color right there. So I'm going to select anywhere. I'm just going to select the bat and then hit F again so I can zoom in. Now I'm just going to rename this to win screen. Actually, this is a lose screen, so I'm gonna change the name to lose screen. Alright. Now, I'm gonna have another screen as well for when you win, so I'm just gonna copy this and paste it, and then change the name to win screen, and just edit it as needed from here. Alright, so I'm going to go to the win screen and change this Castle Destroyed text to you win. And I'm going to be economical here and use the same art. Just change it up a bit. Perfect. Alright, now we can move on. Just need to make a script called Game Manager down here, and this is just going to be a script that listens for the win and lose conditions. So I right clicked, went to create C# script, and I'm going to name this Game Manager. And I removed the space from the name. Now I'm just going to double click on this script to open it. And at the top here, I need to create 4 variables. One for public game object castle. This is just to monitor whether the castle is there or not, or the castle's health. Another is public game object Skull King, and I'm just calling that Big Skelly the Skull King. Next one is public game object win screen, and the last one you can probably guess, public game object lose screen. And then down here at the bottom, first thing I'm going to say is if castle is equal to null, then I'm going to pop up that lose screen, and when the castle is destroyed, it will equal null. So pretty much I'm saying, hey, when the castle is destroyed, you lose. So I'm going to say lose screen dot set active true. We're going to turn it off at the very beginning. So then this will just trigger it to come on. And when that lose screen comes on, I just want to freeze time. So I'm going to say time.timescale equals 0f. That's pretty much saying time will move at 0 frames per second. And that's what we want. And now I'm just going to copy and paste this because now instead of castle, I'm going to say Skull King. If he's equal to null, then you will win. So I'll say win screen, because if he's equal to null, that means you destroyed him. And I also want to freeze that time. And now I just need to create the game manager game object, drag the game manager script onto it, and then plug in all these game objects. So I'm going to grab the, where is it at? I'm going to grab the castle. Well, first I'm going to turn on the game manager, and then if you click that lock, it will prevent the screen from changing when you select different objects. So I'm just going to grab everything I need and plug it in where it goes. Win screen, now the lose screen, and save, and everything should be in order for me to test this out. And after that, we'll have a fully working game. There is no audio though. You can add audio later if you like. So it looks like I spoke too soon, and I think I know what's wrong. I just made a little typo in the code. I need to just go back and change that. So I'm going to go back into game manager script, and right here where it says castle equals null, we're just going to change it castle double equals null, which means is equal to null instead of it equals null. Now when we test it out, it should work. I'm gonna let these guys crash into the castle, and then the slow guy, boom, castle destroyed. Castle destroyed. All right, now I'm gonna test the win condition. Boom, 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 boom. To kill all these guys. Oh no, boss, you win. So if you made it this far, congratulations. You created a fully working game loop. You've got a win condition and a lose condition, and there's some interactivity in between. This was an awesome tutorial, and if you'd like to see more of this, just like it. Thank you.